You are watching the final part of the FreeCAD BIM Structural Project course by FCB Launch channel. In previous parts, we created structural 3D model of an object and we created floor plans and sections on our sheets. And in this part, we will finish up creating the title page, and we will also learn how to export these sheets into PDF and how to export the model into IFC file, so our project can be exchanged with other engineers or architects. So first, let's create our title page where we already have it created, but it's empty. And I want to have a snapshot of the 3D model on the title page. So I will go to the 3D view and I actually want to make all the sections invisible. So I will unhide them and then hide them, and also all of the drawing objects. So I will hide them. So now only 3D objects are visible. And I will set up the view that I want to have on my title page. So something like this. Now I will go to the Tech Draw workbench and I will use this tool Active View, which creates a current snapshot on a page. And if I have no page selected, I'm told which one to be placed on. So I will select this one. Now I will use the default settings, hit OK, and if I look at my title page, I have got this active view object placed here. It's a 3D view, but you have to be very careful with this because it's not an active view. It's basically a snapshot, a PNG. So if you change your model, this title page picture will not change. But for us, this is okay. Now you can see that the picture is small, so I will change the scale. So if I change it to 2 or 3, maybe 2.5, this is okay. And now I want to have some text on the sheet, so I can use this text annotation tool. If I click it, the annotation is created. It's placed as an active view in the active view, so I could select it, or I can actually click and drag it like so. And if I want to edit the text, I will double click it here and I will change the default text to FCB Lounge Structural Project and hit OK. And I want to change the size, so in the properties, the text size, let's make it to 2 centimeters. So like this, it will be okay. So this is my title page. So now our project is complete as a FreeCAD file, but of course we want to export it to communicate our design intents with outside world or with the construction company. So first, to create PDFs or prints from the TechDraw pages, I can right-click the page and use the Export PDF tool. And this asks me where I want to save the PDF. So I will leave this name and export it to my home folder. And now if I switch to my home folder, I have this file here, and if I double click it, you can see that it's my page. Now, of course, in your project, you will want to actually export all of the sheets in one PDF. And to do that, you will right click in the project and choose Print All Pages. And this will fire up your printer. So you have to have a PDF printer installed for this to work. And I will choose these default settings, and the output file is this print PDF. So I will print. The external printer will work. And after it finished its job, I will go again to my home folder, and it's this print. And you can see that I've got my 4 pages PDF created with my beautiful drawings of my beautiful structure. Now, what's important to note is that the order of the pages in the PDF created like this is set up purely by which sheet or which page was created the first and which was created last. So this is quite a bit of limitation of FreeCAD 1.1 at this point. Now, printing PDFs is nice, but sometimes you want to send your model to another architect or engineer for them to use the model, and the internationally used exchange format in the architecture, engineering and construction industry is the IFC format. And FreeCAD supports this, so if I want to export my my structure, my building to the IFC format, I will select the whole object. So I will select it including the site, so I can just select the site, then go to File, Export, and I will choose from these options Industry Foundation Classes, IFC, and I will again save it to my default folder, and export will work for a while. And after the file is exported, I can go to any IFC viewer, and I will open the file, and you can see that the file is here, including my structure of project, building and levels. So I can send this file to any other professional. So this is the end of the FCB Lounge structural BIM project. We have learned how to set up the project. We have learned how to create the 3D model. We have learned how to create the sections and floor plans and how to place them on sheets and how to print these sheets or export them to PDF or export to IFC so we can coordinate our design with other people. As you could have seen here, FreeCAD is quite capable BIM platform, and even though we created just a small and simple structural project, the techniques you have learned in this course will be applicable even for larger projects. If you enjoyed this course and find it useful, consider supporting the FCB Lounge channel by donating through the Ko-Fi page. The link to the Ko-Fi page is in the description box below. I hope this course helped you in your FreeCAD BIM journey.